Did you notice the sentiment spike at plus 0.38 for startups? That's significant, especially considering the negative momentum of minus 0.36. This indicates a shift in perception that could signal emerging opportunities or challenges in the startup space. With 18 semantic clusters in play, you can dig deep into specific themes driving this sentiment. Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis, providing insights into how entrepreneurs and investors feel about the startup ecosystem right now. Imagine leveraging this data to inform your investment strategy or pivot your product development in real time. Don't miss out on these insights. Check out our documentation at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs and start integrating sentiment analysis into your projects today.